Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update RAID settings on a VPS after drive replacement. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your VPS management panel. Locate the section for storage or drives within the panel. Identify the RAID configuration currently in place. Before making any changes, ensure you have a complete backup of your data. Shut down the VPS to prevent data corruption during the update. Physically replace the faulty drive, if applicable, or ensure the new drive is properly connected. Boot the VPS backup and log in using your preferred SSH client. Once logged in, check the RAID status by using the appropriate command for your setup. For software RAID, this may be cat/proc/mstat, or you can use mdatail/dev/md0. If using hardware RAID, access the RAID controller's configuration utility by following the manufacturer's instructions. Once in the RAID configuration utility, locate the option to add or rebuild the array with the new drive. Confirm the drive's status and initiate the rebuilding process if required. Monitor the RAID synchronization process to ensure everything proceeds without errors. Once the synchronization is complete, verify the RAID status again to confirm it is functioning correctly. If your RAID setup allows it, consider performing a test rebuild to ensure reliability. After confirming the RAID array is healthy, restart your VPS. Log back into your VPS and check all services are running smoothly. Finally, update any necessary documentation regarding your RAID configuration and settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.